The elements of a television system. There are 7 elements in television system. Number 1 is picture transmission. Number 2 is sound transmission. Number 3 is picture reception. Number 4 is sound reception. Number 5 is synchronization. Number 6 is receiver controls. Number 7 is color television. For this video, we have only sound reception, synchronization, and receiver controls. Sound reception. The path of the sound signal is common with the picture signal from antenna to the video detector section of the receiver. The two signals are separated and fed to their respective channels. Talking about the two signals, those are audio signal and the video signal. The frequency modulated audio signal is demodulated after at least one stage of amplification. The audio output from the FM detector is given due to amplification before feeding it to the loudspeaker. Now the FM signal was extracted and it is fed to the audio amplifier, then to the speaker. Then we have synchronization. It is essential that the same coordinates be scanned at any instant both at the camera tube target plate and at the raster of the picture tube. Otherwise, the picture details would split and distorted. To ensure perfect synchronization between the scene being televised and the picture produced on the raster, synchronizing pulses are transmitted during the retrace, playback intervals of horizontal and vertical motions of the camera scanning beam. Now, synchronization. Talking about synchronization, that is the operation of two or more things at the same time. Now there will be synchronization between the scene being televised and the picture produced on the raster. Raster is a pattern of a parallel scanning lines followed by the electron beam on a television screen. Thus, in addition to carrying picture detail, the radiated signal at the transmitter also contains synchronizing pulses. These pulses, which are destined for horizontal and vertical motion control, are processed at the receiver and fed to the picture tube sweep circuitly, thus ensuring that the receiver picture tube beam is in step with the transmitter camera tube beam. For the receiver controls, the front view of a typical monochrome TV receiver having various controls. The channel selector. Channel selector switch is used for selecting the desired channel. The fine-tuning. Fine-tuning control is provided for obtaining best picture details in the selected channel. The hold control. Hold control is used to get a steady picture in case it rolls up or down. The brightness control. Brightness control varies the beam intensity of the picture tube and is set for optimum average brightness of the picture. The contrast control. Contrast control is actually the gain control of the video amplifier. This can be varied to obtain the desired contrast between the white and black contents of the reproduced picture. The volume and tone controls. Volume and tone controls form part of the audio amplifier in the sound section and are used for setting the volume and tonal quality of the sound output from the loudspeaker. This is the front view of a monochrome television. So this is the screen. That is a part of the picture tube. Then we have the tone. Then the volume and off. So this is the volume control, to which the switch to turn off or to turn on the supply is connected to the volume control. Then the brightness control, the contrast control, fine tuning control, the channel selector, and the vertical hold control. So those are the different controls in a monochrome television receiver. Thank you and God bless.